Welcome to our video animation class, and today we'll be animating text. We'll start by opening our animated text. Now once you've opened your animated text, you have three bubbles here to view your previous exports or projects, as has been called, while here to start up a new one, and here to create a GIF. Now all you simply do is click on the one in the middle, takes you here, double tap. Now we wipe what is the code that's already there and put something new. Once you're done, you can decide to choose a file or snap one. Now this is the photography for snapping. This is meant for choosing from your gallery, and this final one is meant to play or to get started with creation. Now this one is quite easy. Once you go there, it takes you to your video, your image gallery. You could click on any image you choose to use. Having done that, it will take you here to where you scale to whatever dimension you want, and click OK. Takes a while to boot, and once you're there, it opens it this way for you to see your image. Now click on play. Now the play takes you to where you can animate your text. Now there are two rows. You have the first and the second. Now the first one has to do with creating the format in which your animation will appear. All of them are unlocked. It is totally free, so you can choose from any of the listed animations. And once you're done, below here you can change your text to background format or overlay format. The overlay covers the image on top with a specific type of color brand. Now for blue, it will put on a blue overlay. Now it will not be that noticeable, to be slight. Here, white overlay. Here, red overlay, white text. Here, black overlay, yellow text. I hope you get the hang of it now. So once you're done with this, you can go to the settings here. This is settings. Once you click on it, it shows you options. Now you can choose square or landscape, and your size can be set to whatever pixel you want. Now I would advise you stick to something you can manage, your phone can handle. For me, my phone can't handle too much, so for now I just want to stick to 512 and save as video. To take a moment, but once it's done, everything is ready. Then we'll move on to InShot. So see you then.